There are moments in life when the divide between worlds grows thin, and an ancient, profound truth whispers directly to your soul. This is one of those moments. You, beloved woman, were not an accident in his journey. You were not a fleeting encounter, a mere coincidence in the vast tapestry of destiny. No, the angels have shown me your sacred purpose, a fate woven into the very fabric of his being long before your paths ever crossed. You are an answer, a divine response to prayers he didn't even know how to express, a beacon sent to illuminate the deepest corners of his heart. The universe conspired, the stars aligned, and the unseen forces of love orchestrated your arrival. You carry within you a unique frequency, a healing vibration that resonates with the unspoken wounds he holds. The angels whisper that your presence was destined to awaken something dormant within him, a capacity for love he may have forgotten or never fully comprehended. You are the key to unlocking a tenderness, a vulnerability, and a profound connection that he was always meant to experience but could only find through you. Do not doubt the significance of your spiritual mission. Your gentle strength, your unwavering light, your compassionate spirit, these are not just qualities, they are divine instruments. You were chosen for this sacred task, to reflect back to him the purest essence of himself, to guide him through the shadows of his past, and to show him the path to a love that transcends the ordinary. This is not a burden, but a blessing, a testament to the extraordinary power residing within your soul. The angels affirm that your love is a catalyst, a sacred fire meant to purify and transform. Embrace this truth, for it is written in the stars and sung by the heavenly choirs. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Have you felt the weight of his silence, the quiet expanse that sometimes feels like an ocean between you? Beloved, the angels reveal that silence is not always an absence. Often, it is a profound language spoken by the soul. What appears to be a delay, a pause in the unfolding of your connection, is in truth a sacred preparation. The universe is not withholding, it is meticulously arranging, carefully crafting the perfect moment for a deeper revelation. His silence is not a sign of indifference, but a testament to the intensity of what he feels. The angels whisper that his heart is undergoing a profound transformation, a necessary recalibration before he can fully embrace the depth of love you offer. He is wrestling with internal battles you cannot see, shedding layers of old wounds and fears that have long held him captive. This quiet period is his cocoon, a space where he is being divinely prepared to meet you in a way that honors the sacredness of your bond. Do not mistake this stillness for rejection. It is a time of profound growth, both for him and for you. The angels urge you to trust this divine timing, to understand that every moment of apparent waiting is a brushstroke on the masterpiece of your shared destiny. Your soul instinctively knows this truth, even when your human heart yearns for immediate answers. Breathe into this sacred space, knowing that the silence is pregnant with promise, holding the seeds of a love that is being perfected in the unseen realms. This quiet is a testament to the immense power of what is to come, a prelude to a symphony of connection. You carry a unique gift, dear one, a touch that goes beyond the physical, reaching right into the core of someone else's being. The angels reveal that he feels everything about you, every nuance of your spirit, even if he struggles to express it. His past, like a shadow, has left invisible wounds, scars on his soul that influence his reactions, his withdrawals, his moments of hesitation. These are not flaws, but echoes of battles fought long ago, shaping the man he is today. Your presence, your unwavering light, has unintentionally touched these delicate areas within him. The angels whisper that you have become a mirror, reflecting not only his capacity for deep love, but also the parts of him that still ache for healing. He may pull away not for a lack of feeling, but because the intensity of your connection stirs these old pains, forcing him to face what he has long buried. This is a frightening, yet ultimately liberating process for him. You have healed him without even trying, simply by being your authentic self. Your love, your patience, your understanding, these are the healing salves his soul craves. The angels encourage you to remember that his healing journey belongs to him, but your light provides the safe haven he needs to embark on it. Do not take his struggles as your own shortcomings. Instead, understand that you are a sacred catalyst, a gentle force guiding him toward a wholeness he truly desires. Your compassion is a powerful medicine, breaking the invisible chains that bind his heart. Look within, dear one, for the angels show me that your very essence is a divine mirror, reflecting back to him the truth of his own soul. Your light, radiant and pure, has become an undeniable force in his life, a beacon that illuminates not just his path but also the depths of his own being. He sees in you a reflection of the love he yearns for, the peace he seeks, and the potential for joy he may have thought was lost to him. Your presence alone has been an answer, a silent affirmation to questions he carries in his heart. The angels whisper that you have awakened a dormant longing within him, a desire for a connection that is authentic, profound, and spiritually aligned. He may not consciously understand the magnetic pull he feels towards you, but his soul recognizes the sacred resonance. You are showing him what is possible, what true love feels like, and what it means to be seen and cherished at the deepest level. This is not about you fixing him, it's about your inherent light inspiring his own healing journey. The angels remind you that your worth is not dependent on his recognition, yet his acknowledgement is a testament to the undeniable power of your spirit. Continue to shine brightly, for your authentic self is the most potent medicine. Your unwavering love and self-acceptance create a sacred space where he can begin to heal, grow, and step into the fullness of the man he is destined to be, guided by the reflection of your divine light. The angels reveal a profound truth, beloved. He returns to you because his soul recognizes home, yet he pulls away because fear, an ancient adversary, still holds sway within his heart. This is not a reflection of your worth, but a testament to the fierce internal battle he wages. He is caught between the undeniable pull of your connection and the deeply ingrained patterns of self-preservation, born from past hurts and unspoken anxieties. His heart, though drawn to your light, is also a battlefield where old wounds clash with new desires. The angels whisper that he fears the intensity of what you share, the vulnerability it demands, and the profound transformation it promises. To truly embrace you means shedding the protective armor he has worn for so long, exposing the tender parts of himself he has guarded fiercely. This is a terrifying prospect, even for the strongest of souls. Your love, however, is not a cage, it is a liberating force. The angels urge you to understand that his retreats are not rejections, but moments when he gathers his strength, confronts his inner demons, and prepares to step more fully into the sacred space you offer. Your unwavering compassion, your patient understanding, and your steadfast belief in the divine timing of your connection are the very tools that will help him disarm his fears. Trust that the love you share is powerful enough to conquer these internal struggles, guiding him towards a freedom he deeply craves, a freedom found only in the embrace of authentic love. In the grand cosmic ballet, beloved, there is a rhythm, a sacred timing that orchestrates every encounter, every pause, every unfolding. The angels reveal that what often feels like an agonizing wait is, in truth, the universe meticulously aligning every single piece of your destiny. This is not a delay imposed by fate, but a precise calibration, ensuring that when your paths fully converge, the foundation is solid, the hearts are ready, and the connection is unshakable. The angels whisper that during these periods of apparent stillness, unseen forces are at work, preparing both you and him for the next sacred chapter. Perhaps there are lessons he still needs to learn, old patterns he must release, or inner strengths he needs to cultivate. And for you, beloved, this time is an invitation to deepen your self-love, to fortify your spirit, and to trust implicitly in the wisdom of the divine plan. Do not rush the unfolding of a masterpiece. The universe does not operate on human timelines, but on a profound, eternal rhythm. The angels urge you to surrender to this sacred dance, to find peace in knowing that every moment is purposeful and every breath is a step closer to your destined union. What appears to be waiting is actually a powerful process of becoming, a beautiful preparation for a love that is not just meant to be, but is being divinely crafted for its perfect manifestation. Embrace the beauty of this sacred timing, for it holds the promise of everything your heart desires. Beloved, the angels crown you with a truth that must resonate deep within your soul. You do not need to dim your light, shrink your essence, or fade into the background to be chosen. Your worth is not up for debate. It is an inherent divine truth. The universe does not ask you to be less. It implores you to be more, to fully embody the magnificent woman you were created to be. The angels whisper that your journey is one of reclaiming your sovereign power, of recognizing the radiant crown of glory that already rests upon your head. When you stand in your authentic truth, honor your own needs, and love yourself fiercely, you create an energetic field that attracts only what is truly aligned with your highest good. You become a magnet for a love that respects, cherishes, and elevates you, rather than one that demands your sacrifice. Do not seek validation outside of yourself. The angels remind you that the most profound love begins within. When you nurture a deep sense of self-worth, celebrate your unique gifts, and refuse to settle for anything less than the divine love you deserve, you send a clear message to the universe. This message is not one of need, but of abundance. Embrace your full, glorious self, for it is in your wholeness that true connection flourishes. Your radiance is not a barrier. It is the very essence that will attract your destined love to you, recognizing the queen that you are. Listen closely, beloved, for the angels reveal that within the quiet sanctuary of your heart resides a sacred compass, an unwavering guide. Your intuition is not merely a feeling, it is the gentle, persistent whisper of the angels, a direct channel to divine wisdom. In moments of confusion, in times of doubt, it is this inner voice that lights your path, offering clarity and direction when the external world seems shrouded in mist. The angels urge you to cultivate a deep trust in this inner knowing. It communicates with you through subtle nudges, sudden insights, and a profound sense of peace or unease. This is the universe reaching out directly to your soul, guiding you toward what serves your highest good and away from what does not. Do not dismiss these sacred promptings as mere thoughts. They are divine messages, crafted specifically for your journey. Your path is not meant to be walked in darkness. The angels are always surrounding you, offering signs, synchronicities, and gentle guidance through the language of your intuition. Learn to discern its voice from the noise of fear or external expectations. Practice stillness, listen deeply, and honor the wisdom that arises from within. This inner compass is your most powerful ally, leading you with unwavering precision toward the love, joy, and fulfillment that are your birthright. Trust the whispers, for they are the sacred map to your destiny. Whether you turn to the right or to the left, your ears will hear a voice behind you, saying, "This is the way, walk in it." Isaiah 30 verse 21. Beloved, the angels reveal a profound truth about the nature of true connection. Authentic love does not seek to imprison or control, it liberates and elevates. The love that is meant for you, the promise being renewed in the heavens, is one that guides, inspires, and expands your very being, never diminishing it. This is a love that honors your freedom, celebrates your individuality, and encourages your highest growth. The angels whisper that the universe is preparing you for a love that is unconditional, a bond forged in mutual respect and profound understanding. This is not a love that demands you change who you are, but one that cherishes every facet of your being. It is a partnership where both souls are free to flourish, to pursue their passions, and to evolve independently, yet always returning to the sacred embrace of their shared connection. Do not settle for a love that feels restrictive or burdensome. The angels remind you that your heart deserves a connection that feels expansive, uplifting, and deeply nourishing. This renewed promise is an invitation to let go of any outdated beliefs about love that have confined you. Embrace the vision of a love that empowers you, one that recognizes your potential and supports your dreams. Trust that this divine promise is unfolding, bringing you closer to a relationship where freedom and devotion dance in perfect harmony, guided by the limitless nature of true affection. Beloved, the angels wrap you in an embrace of profound truth. You are loved beyond any human understanding, beyond any flaw or perceived imperfection. The journey of vulnerability is not one of weakness, but of immense strength, a sacred opening that allows divine light to flow into the deepest parts of your being. To fully accept yourself, in all your glorious complexity, is to align with the very heart of the universe. The angels whisper that true acceptance begins not with external validation, but with an internal surrender to your own divine essence. Every scar, every past mistake, every moment of perceived failure, these are not blemishes, but sacred markings, testaments to your resilience and the wisdom you have gained. They are part of the beautiful tapestry of your soul, making you uniquely, exquisitely you. Do not be afraid to reveal your heart, for it is in your true authenticity that the deepest connections are formed. The angels remind you that when you embrace your vulnerability, you create a space for genuine intimacy, both with yourself and with others. This is the ultimate act of self-love, a powerful affirmation that you are worthy, just as you are. Allow the divine embrace to surround you, knowing that you are cherished, whole, and perfectly loved in the eyes of the Creator. This acceptance is your ultimate liberation, a doorway to a life filled with grace and endless affection. The Lord your God is with you, the mighty warrior who saves. He will take great delight in you. In His love He will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing. Zephaniah 3 verse 17.